So it says that the sex Gensler says regulation will favor consumers but be good for crypto Bitcoin. I think that's that. So guys, this is the market activity for today's news on Coinmarketcap. Says total market cap 1.55 trillion, 24-hour volume 76 billion. Notable movers are RUNE, notable movers DeFi, Luna. Then Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance has dropped a little bit since the Bitcoin price went below $40,000 mark. Then Ethereum too dropped a little bit, but it's still in good shape as the difference is still better than that of Bitcoin. It says that Ethereum was about 2,600 plus as at yesterday's news market activity news. So Cardano is $1.3. So you have B3. B3 is a platform where you can invest crypto and you get as a 70% return on investment. So it's a trusted platform and it's recommended on Coinmarketcap. So you can check out the reviews on B3 to see how far you can. I'll be dropping the links in the description box below so you can get access to it. So these are the top 5 gainers, and for today we have Cookie Dodge. Cookie Dodge went high, and Cookie Dodge they have an airdrop for Cookie Dodge, so you can check it up to see how far. Yen loans, we have Project Diamond, Blockchains, NLP are the 5 losers. RUNE, Racon, K-Lend, also Farm, and Delphi. Those are the top 5 losers. And so the top stories on Coinmarketcap today, we have Bitcoin ATM makers see crypto payments explode. So a deal to purchase Bitcoin ATM maker LibertyX could vastly increase the reach of cryptocurrency payments. NCR, a Fortune 500 enterprise technology firm and ATM manufacturer, has almost 1/3 of the North American point of sale software market. This dwarfs Liberty reach 9,500 Bitcoin ATMs and 20,000 retail stores. So guys, what this news trying to tell us that apparently the fact that Bitcoin ATM, people that are in charge of making Bitcoin ATM, that the fact that the makers sale could see crypto a deal to purchase this Bitcoin ATM, purchasing them in large quantity will tend to increase the way users will flock into utilizing Bitcoin, since it's now easily acceptable. Imagine if you have Bitcoin in your environment, Bitcoin ATM in your environment, meaning that you can easily trade and withdraw money from your crypto holdings. So I think that's a major improvement. So these are the other news. So says SEC here says stronger regulation will benefit in crypto. Former Monero privacy coin arrested in US. So guys, these are the updates on Coinmarketcap today, the headlines. So thanks for watching, guys. We have PockSwap airdrop that is currently ongoing, so you guys can check it out. I've dropped the description, the links, and the steps to follow. So guys, one love, peace out now. Don't forget to subscribe if this is your first time of coming to our YouTube channel. Drop crypto news and updates and so many other stuff. That's what we do on this YouTube channel. And leave us a comment, give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful, and peace out, guys. One love.